Welcome guys to a short tutorial. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to have a neat finishing on your net, on your transparent net like this. You can see the neckline is giving everything it's meant to give. So to do that, I got a same light tulip net, same color as my fabric. I don't want it to use the same fabric so it won't be heavy, and it's going to give me a light finishing and a beautiful finishing. So I went ahead to cut it the same way, and I'm going to go ahead and sew the neckline. Okay, so after sewing the neckline very well, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over and stitch it. So let's go ahead and sew it, and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So after sewing it, I've gone ahead to sew it very well. Then I'll go out and trim out the excess. So I went ahead to trim out the excess. While trimming out the excess, you need to be careful not to cut into the lines, or rather not to cut into the thread you've already sewn. So after cutting out the excesses, I'll go ahead and turn it over and iron. So you could see how it's looking. I'm going to turn it over and iron it. So after ironing it, I'll come over and show you guys what it looks like. We've been able to iron our net, giving it a good press. When ironing, remember you need to iron on a low heat, a light heat. So I went ahead to turn it over and give it a good press. You could see how professional your work is looking. With this, you're going to have a nice finishing line, and everything is going to be perfectly well placed. We went ahead to do the back. The back has already been sewn and also turned to the right side, and it's iron. The reason for doing this and using the mesh net is going to be giving you a professional look. You won't see this work and you won't appreciate it. So this is what it looks like after sewing and after ironing. So we could now go ahead and place it on our fabric and to give us that professional look we want. So this is what our final look like. So if you love these, I'll be expecting a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Bye for now.